All right, everybody. This video is going to be different than any video I've ever done. So I'm going to start it out with, this is going to be uncensored, unfiltered. If you don't like cussing, cut the video off now, because I will be cussing. I'm going to go ahead and let a little bit out for y'all. So, as you all know, Pinnacle's still obsessed with me. So I made 2 short clips this morning, intentionally knowing he would see them and make something about them. Of course, he didn't do a video. He just done I don't know, somebody sent a screenshot of him saying they burn disputes. Anybody that mails disputes and takes your money, well, at least we're actually doing the work. It's kind of sad that I have to do this video, but I'm kind of sick of this crackhead. And that's exactly what he is. He's a fucking crackhead. And again, I will be cussing in this video, so if you don't like cussing, turn the video off now. So, the correct way to dispute items on your credit report, whether you do it yourself or hire somebody, is via the mail service. So you have proof that they received it, and that's why we send everything certified. The reason crackheads like this don't do it is because it costs money. So if they dispute online, it costs them nothing. It's all profit. But guess what? They're only going to send 1 round, because after they send 1 round, there's not a damn thing they can do. That's why you don't dispute online. You give your rights up. Look it up. I know you're going to watch this, so fact check me since you know so much, because you've been doing this for over 10 years. Well, then 1 minute it's 8 years, and then it's 15 years, and then it's 12 years. But again, you're a crackhead, and crackheads, they say anything and everything. Anyway, that's the correct way to do it. Whether you do it yourself or whether you hire a professional like myself, through the mail, via certified mail. So you got a copy saying they received the dispute, so they can't say they didn't receive them. And guess what? If you want to sue them and you're disputing online, guess what? You can't. But the crackhead ain't going to tell you that. You know, I think the best thing, in my opinion anyway, and this I guess is just me being a man, would be for him to bring his sorry tale to the States and just go ahead and fight me and get it over with. I mean, he's such a little badass at 5'2" or whatever he is, fighting some Asian guy. Well, he calls it fighting, or I'm sorry, hold on. He calls it, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. But anyway, when you're just hitting bags, that is not sparring. Sparring is when the other person's hitting you too. You should know that because you're in Vietnam and you know everything, right? So I'm going to be all over the place. I apologize. I'm just fucking sick of this kid. I mean, you know, 1 minute he created a cat, you know, nobody else has this system. And then he calls me crying like a little bitch, apologizing. Oh, I send mine by the mail too. I know you send them by the mail. That's how everybody does it. But again, crackheads are all over the place. And I don't even know if I should call him a crackhead. I think he's a little bit below a crackhead, maybe more like a meth head, because he's just dumb as fucking rocks. I mean, dumb as fucking rocks. So again, he makes videos called Millionaire Rant. So this is my not a millionaire rant, because I'm not the type of person to try to make you think I'm somebody I'm not. He wants everybody to think he's this millionaire. In one video, he doesn't own his apartment. He just lives there. He don't think people should own stuff. Very next video, oh, I own this multi-million-dollar apartment. So which is it? Do you own it or not? Like, it doesn't matter. I mean, your rent's like $800 a month. Oh yeah, you're renting where you're at, by the way. And that's public record. But anyway, it's just funny to me how everything in his videos changed. Like 1 minute he's this, 1 minute he's that. I use ACAT, I don't mail. Then you call me crying like a little bitch and saying, oh, I'm so sorry, please let this stop. And I know why you called me. Your business is gone to shit, dude. Thanks to me and everybody else. Your business has gone to shit. And you're not going to admit it. But you don't have to, because you've already admitted it to one person. that business is really, really bad for you. And guess what? It's not going to get any better, because I'm not going to stop until you come face me like a man, but you don't have the fucking balls to. Maybe it's because you like men and women. Oh yeah, your girlfriend gave, or your ex-girlfriend gave that up. I'm not judging, but I will let you know I don't swing on that side of the fence. So I understand you like men and women. That's perfectly fine. That's kind of normal for a crackhead anyway. Just know that I'm not into that. Anyway, if y'all have any questions about this video, if you like this video, or if you don't like this type of video, let me know. Just kind of wanted to let a few things out. So maybe he'll make another one of his millionaire rants, as he calls it, which I've never seen a crackhead that was a millionaire. So maybe he's the first one. I mean, he did invent ACAT, something that doesn't even exist. But to the average consumer, the way it sounds when you say that is, oh my God, this guy's doing something nobody else is doing. I promise you he's not the only person out here scamming people. He's scamming everybody. Trust me, it's a scammer. Once a scammer, always. They're not going to change. I mean, it's all profit when you scam people. Me, I do the work. I will show you the letters. I will show you the certified receipts. Hell, I'll video myself going to the post office, talking to the postal workers that know me. They know exactly what I'm doing there. But it's for proof that I mailed the letters. You can't prove a damn thing online, man. You can't. And after you dispute, you can't do nothing else, man. You're stuck. At least when you're doing it by mail, when you send letters and don't get the response you want, you can send more letters. You're not going to dispute again online. You're not going to, because it's not going to make a difference. You have one shot at disputing online, and that's it. And that's not up for debate. That's a fact. I don't give a damn how long you've been doing this. And that's another thing. You think you're so much better to me because you've been doing this for 10 years? That doesn't dictate how good somebody is at their craft. I'm 10 times better than you. That's why I get the results I get. You have to pay people to say that you got them results. How do I know this? Because you never posted results until I started talking about how you didn't post results. And then all of a sudden, 2 people made reviews for you, which 2 good reviews, I don't know if that covers up the thousands of bad reviews you have. Which brings me to my last thing that I'm going to talk about. You say I'm a scam because I'm not on Google, because I don't have a LinkedIn. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I don't need that stuff. My business is thriving. You have all those things and your business is struggling tremendously. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't excited and happy that your business is going to shit, because you are a piece of shit and you're a crackhead and you ain't man enough to come face me. You train every day, you fight every day, you whatever, smoke crack, whatever it is you do every day. So you're in great shape. I'm a fat white guy that don't even work out. I don't have no hair, I'm bald. But who cares? Who gives a shit, dude? All you care about is money. And that's what scammers care about. You're no different than Mike from the credit game. The only difference is Mike had a good business going. Mike had a great scam going. Your scam, you're small fish. You're on Todd Gibbons level. You're the shit that comes out of people like that's assholes. I'm sorry. Again, y'all, I said I was going to be cussing, so don't say I didn't warn you. This guy's a piece of shit. He's a crackhead. He likes men. He likes women. Hey, I shouldn't be judging him for that. Just stay on your side of the fence. And I hope you make a video about this, because we all know you're just going to go psycho on the video and ruin your business even more. Nobody has to ruin your business for you, man. You do it yourself. If y'all have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great Memorial Day, and I will talk to y'all later.